You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly once and for all in English and in German, because yes, there are different pronunciations. This is a variant spelling, an alternative spelling of a German name known as Schaeffer. Schaeffer is the German pronunciation. It means shepherd. Yes, Schaeffer. And it normally has an A with an umlaut, so 2 dots. That's the German spelling. So it's been adapted to English, and that's a spelling. And in English, it's usually very often pronounced as Schaeffer, indeed. So the English pronunciation is more often than not Schaeffer. The German pronunciation is generally Schaeffer or Schaffer. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.